Lesson 4 exercise. Here we are going to be doing our first translations. You're going to need your notebook and a pencil, or you can print out a worksheet. I have a link to a Google document. Just print it out and you can collect it in a 3-ring binder. Here's an example of the worksheet. You're going to want your vocabulary card handy, and you want your present indicative active card handy. Our first word is blepe. We have the third person singular for he, the EI at the end, and blepe means to be seeing, so this translates into he is seeing. Akumen. We are hearing. And I'm pulling that we off of that first person plural ending, amen, and akuo means to be hearing. Gnoskete. Gnoskete. Here we have that second person plural, ete. And gnosko means to know, so we have ye are knowing. Lambanusi. Third person plural, usi. Lambano means to be receiving or taking. We have they are receiving. Or they are taking. Graphes. You are writing. Echi. He is having, she is having, it is having. Pistuomen. We are believing. Pempain. Here we have that infinitive ending, and this means to send. Heuriske. Notice the rough breathing that gives the H sound. Means he is finding, or she is finding, it is finding. Agate. Ye are bringing. Ye are leading. Ye are going. Gnoskusi. They are knowing. Number 4, Thelomen. We are wishing, we are willing. blepein, to see, and this is that infinitive ending. Echomen, we are having, or we are holding. Gnoskete, ye are knowing. And you can reference the example above with the third person plural usi there. Number 5, agusi. They are leading, they are bringing, they are going. Lambani. He is taking, he is receiving. Achusi. They are having, they are holding. Now we're moving on to part 2. We're going to translate the English into the Greek. We know. We need to add that first person plural ending of amen to the word that means to know. So we have gnoskamen. And the accent is over that omega, and that is coming from where it's placed in the vocabulary word in gnosko. I see blepo. And again, the accent is over the epsilon as it is in the vocabulary example. He finds euriske, heuriske. Let's not forget that rough breathing on this one. And that's over the upsilon in that diphthong there. And for placing the accents, we only know by looking at the vocabulary word in the first person singular. We'll get to that in another lesson. You send, pempes. They know, gnoskusi. Ye lead is going to be agate. The smooth breathing and accent are over that first alpha. This is probably the most difficult one out of the worksheet because it's including an infinitive with a verb. So the infinitive to know is going to be gnoskein, and then we have to write the word for we wish, which is going to be fellow men. So again, we have we wish to know. He hears a cooey. Accent over the upsilon, smooth breathing over the alpha. And it's okay if you are unclear in that, we will get to that. They write grafusi. He has achi. You believe pistues. And that concludes lesson 4.